change the pace from the video in the videos with the other images, and it will be easy task and 100% free and 100% working. Just do follow every single step by step. So let's try it. Open any browser. I'm opening Chrome browser. Copy the link that I give you in the description. Go to that website. It will take you to the face fusion, face changing or face fusion website. Just click on the usage and click on run via collab and just click on the Google Collaboratory. There is the simple 3 tasks you have to do. It will run on your faces view. You have to follow these steps carefully. Just click the first one and it will take some time. Give it some time to load and download some data from the internet. And then second step setup, click on that and it will take few seconds to complete. And then last, press the run button and it will take some time to download some data. First of all, it will give you one link. Don't click on that run for right now. Let it finished to download some data. After it's finished, it will say to create a public link, set string true, and then hold that link and drag it to the tab button and it will open the windows. Face fusion will run on the tab. There you can see the face fusion tab. Click on the first button, search images. Select the search images and then select target images that you want to convert it to the face with the search image. And it will take some time to uploading. After it uploading, it will give you the references images, how it look after the rendering. See how it's look like now, how it's look in output images, and just you can download it with the download icon. And you can do the same with the videos. You can swipe the source images to the target face on the videos also. Just select the source images and click on target images and upload targeted videos, and then it will give you the short preference of the rendering. And then you can see how it's done. It is not 100% perfect, but there is some option here, and they will give you some option. Then you can check the option to matching perfect of the rendering images of face swiping. I think pretty good at face swiping on the images and videos, and it's work really good and fast. There is a not secure issue. It is not problem. You can trust them. So that's it. Thank you.